Today I'm changing the brakes on my Forenza, and the thing they gave me works, so I got to use this. Okay, so now I turned the wheel towards me so I can get at everything, and I went up in here and I took the cap off, so when I'm pressing the cylinder back the fluid goes up. So now I got to get at the brakes. They don't look too bad. The other side was real bad. I'm going to take a look at it. I got two bolts, one here, and get that off. That's one, two. That's one bolt. The other bolt. My little rubber hammer. There, that's off. Put that over there. So we can see what's going on with these brakes. I can tell you right now, that's not bad. It's the other side that's bad. We're going to change the rotors. So now we got to get this off. There's a bolt here and a bolt here. We'll get them off. And then this one on the bottom. Get that off. That came off easy enough. Now if you pound the screwdriver hard enough, it'll turn and it'll snap off just like that. Then we can get our thing off. Look at the grooves in the back there if you could see them. It's the only place the brake was touching. I'm going to show you different. This is brand new rotors. This is the old one. When I went to stop the car, you can see there's an actual groove. Let's see if you see that groove in there, because this whole thing was not catching. If you ever look on brakes, they got this little mark here, so when that wears down you shouldn't see that mark anymore. That mark was totally gone. So these are the new brakes. So just look at the difference in the new brakes and the old brakes. So if I was really cheap, which I usually am, I'd get myself a file and keep going over it like that until I got close. But these are like 25, 30 bucks, and to stop the car, I think it's worth it. So I'm going to put these on. Alright, I just wanted to feel in there. Sometimes I put just a little bit of grease in there so that it doesn't stick next time. Some might say you don't like that, but I don't want that thing sticking. Now, I could put this right back, but that thing broke off, so we're just going to put them right back on there like that. They're ready to go. I got to put this plate right back in position where it was, like that. Put my one bolt in there and catch it. That's caught. Now that's going to go in. Get our bolt down in here. Get this brake out of the way. Always shake it a little bit. Down here. Tighten these all up. Now we're going to get our little C-clamp in here like this and push that piston back. piston all the way back. You can see it moving back. Now I got my brake piston all the way back, and I know these go on this side, that little groove. That's that sign. And then I know these go on that side. So now I got those two brakes in. Now these things, see these? I better make sure they move in and out. Now I just get my caliper, put it on, make sure it lines up good. Just like that. These line up, go in there. Wherever they go in, like that, and like that. This one starts here. This one starts here. Like that. There goes in like that. I like to tighten them up by hand first. Make sure you're all squared up. That's it. I don't want to tighten them too tight where they're going to snap it. That's it there. That's it there. Now all we do is put the tire back on and we're done.